You know, the humidity is beginning to creep back up just a little bit, so it may not feel quite as dry as yesterday did, even though yesterday was still in that slightly humid category. We need to see dew point temperatures down into the 50s before it really starts to feel dry. But it's not so bad for mid-July. We do have this dry and this warm stretch, which will continue for the next couple of days. Rain and storms eventually start to head our direction. Most of those are going to be holding off until Sunday. Today and tomorrow, there's a small chance of a hit or miss shower. We saw that in First Weather, Owsley County picking up a shower right now. More unsettled weather then continues as we move through the 8-day forecast. So Future Track is trying to show more action. I just don't think we're going to see this much if we see any forming, of course, across the region today. So a little bit of added cloud cover, the chance for a very stray shower. Most of us stay completely dry. Rolling into tonight, most of those clouds kind of move on out of the area. We'll see temperatures dipping into the 60s, and then we start off the day tomorrow with more sunshine. We've seen some really nice weather this week, and we're needing the rain. There's a small chance of maybe a complex moving in. Most of these showers will fizzle by the time we get to Friday evening. Saturday brings a small chance, but we're really looking for more rain moving in on Sunday. You may have heard on the national news and even here that there was some major flooding that took shape in western Virginia and far southern West Virginia. As you can see, and this is pretty close to the Kentucky border there in Pike County, where they picked up over 6 inches of rain falling in just a matter of a couple of hours. So that water had nowhere to go, and so there's a lot of devastation there. So far for us in Lexington this month, we've only picked up 1.85 inches. We are actually now in a deficit of about 1/4 of an inch, and the drought monitor was updated this morning. So it looks like the dry weather is just really there's no drought issue in far eastern Kentucky and a good chunk of northern Kentucky. And the moderate drought has retreated back over to the west. So areas right around Highway 127 around Danville and west, you're looking at that moderate drought. Meanwhile, it's just dry in southern Kentucky after they saw some good soaking rain showers. There's one little spot here, Madison County, Jessamine County, Garrett County, that's under the moderate drought, and then one spot near E-Town that is severe. Also far western Kentucky is under severe drought too. If we were to expand it, you would see, of course, in far the western part of the United States under extreme and exceptional drought. We will start to see those rain chances ramping up Sunday and Monday particularly, but just about every day next work week has a chance for scattered showers and thunderstorms. Dew points still in the slightly muggy range today and tomorrow. They start to climb, though. We're going to feel more tropical and hot as we move into next work week. In fact, mid to beginning to shift toward late July, we're looking at, again, above average temperatures, huge amounts of heat over in the Midwest. For us today, it's not bad. Highs around 88, but feeling like 88 degrees. Humidity stays on the lower side for the next couple of days. Tonight, we stay dry, lows down around 66 degrees. And then we continue to see a nice mixture of clouds and sun all the way through Saturday. Saturday's a hot one. Sunday brings us the chance for rain and storms, and we keep in the 80s and the low 90s as the weather remains unsettled.